All right, we are now live. It is being recorded. And I'll start as always by sharing my screen. If you have a question, please just ask it in the chat bar, or you can just unmute your microphone and ask it out loud. Okay, so we're going to start with what you needed to do last week, all right? We're up to the body part of the story message, okay? And so last week you were asked to look at how to use evidence. It was the second part of using evidence. And it was really just a short thing you had to do. It was a Schoology assessment where you had to practice using numbers and examples. Pardon me. The week before, though, you had already done the Flipgrid practice using evidence. And this week you were asked, please watch 3 other presentations and give feedback. So I'll just quickly have a look at that. Okay, so this was from last week. Okay, it was either my hometown is beautiful or my university is a great school. Okay, hopefully nobody did both. I will be looking at these quite soon, I hope, this week. And just having a quick look, it looks like everybody has given feedback. At least 2 people have given feedback to everybody, and everybody has submitted. So that's fantastic, well done. Now, the idea with this is you should go back now, have a look at the feedback, watch and listen to the feedback that is given to you, and then use that information to help you with your final presentation. Okay, so the idea of all feedback is that you use it to help you become better at anything. Okay, so feedback for anything, the idea is it will help you improve. But in this case, we're looking at presentation skills. So specifically about the use of evidence. Okay, go and have a look at this and see if there are any ideas, any things that you should keep doing that you are doing well, or anything that you could maybe change that would improve the way you use evidence in your presentation. Okay, so that was last week. Pardon me. The Schoology activity using evidence, there was a mistake in there. I apologize for that. It will be fixed soon, but some of you may have already noticed in the question about the Great Wall of China, there was one question which related to, or one statement which related to age, but which I had made a mistake in, and I had it relating to the fact that it was interesting, okay, culturally interesting. Okay, don't worry about that. I will go through and I will manually correct that answer for everybody. Okay, so if you did that question, you're thinking, in fact, I'll just show it to you quickly, and you're thinking, why was that wrong? Well, you weren't wrong. You were actually correct. I made the mistake. Sorry for that. Oh, I don't want to see that. I want to see the full question. Okay. Sorry, just bear with me. So the second question here. Okay. You had to match the evidence, and it was this one here. Construction started about 230 BC. I mistakenly had it linked to statement 3, okay? Interesting places. Of course, it should be statement number 2. Don't worry, I will fix that. Oh, looks like my camera has frozen. All right. Now, I'll get out of there. Okay, I think my camera may have frozen, but hopefully you can still hear me. So what we'll do now is we'll look at what you have to do this week, okay? And if, by the way, you can't hear me, or if there's a problem, I think there might be a problem with WebEx. I might have to redo this, hang on. WebEx. Okay. Okay, if you can hear me, there's a problem with WebEx. I'm just going to restart it.